Let's start. Okay, you are able to see this green color, right? This green color just due to mixing of yellow and blue. So I have done this because you need to clean your brush properly. Otherwise, here these petals, these leaves, petals are going to be turned into green. So clean your brush because you are having blue color in your brush. So now let's start it. Firstly, I will take this color, chrome yellow, okay? And we'll do this petal first. We'll apply the color. Very carefully you have to do. Take lemon yellow. And white. Apply this color properly. Okay, like this you have to apply all the color, all the petals. Okay, now here I'm taking this color and we'll do this part. Do it very carefully as you have done blue color. Apply color, not to rub your brush on the canvas. Do it very softly. Your brush. Okay, I have applied this color. Now dark tone should be here. So applying here. And one more tip, whenever you do drawing on the canvas, use color pencil, not black pencil. Taking lemon yellow. Taking white. And you should have control on your hand because whenever you do painting, oil painting, if you will not have control, your color will get mixed properly. You will not get the different shades. So you should have control. Whenever you feel, you will have to clean your brush. We'll do this pattern. Apply yellow, chrome yellow, then lemon yellow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
मैम स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द पेंटिंग बनाने से भी पहले ये ड्रॉ करने से पहले आप इस पे ऑयल लगाते हो कैनवस पे ब्रश से?
नो।
मैम फिर ये ऑयल पेंटिंग कैसे बनेगी यदि बाद पे ऑयल डालोगे?
Oil painting इसलिए oil painting है because we are using oil color. Why acrylic painting is acrylic? Tell me why acrylic painting is acrylic?
Because we are using acrylic color.
Yeah, that's why we are using why oil colors. That's why it's a oil painting.
ठीक है मैम.
Oil painting you can learn in only 1000 rupee. Only 1000 means the very few material you need. Very few material. 1000 is normal for learning a painting, oil painting. Because the material that you need is student oil color or any artist oil color. Buy that. and then you have to buy oil sheets for the beginning, not canvases. For the beginning, you can buy oil sheets. That will cost you near about 40 to 50 rupee per sheet, in which you will get, means a full big chart you will get. Okay.
अच्छा.
And you can make more than 8 paintings from one chart in the small size.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
So,
ma'am.
yeah. And the
Ma'am,
brushes
I
you
guess
need,
that,
huh?
ma'am, I guess that sheet's texture is also like a canvas only.
What? Sorry, I didn't get.
Ma'am, the sheets that you're saying, the oil sheets,
Hmm.
ma'am, I guess I've used them. I guess their texture is same as the canvas.
Okay, you have used, that is not an oil sheet, that is a canvas sheet. What you saying, I'm not getting, I maybe. You are using which sheet? Can you show me if you are having with you? Then I will tell you the difference between oil sheet
No,
and.
ma'am, I don't have that right now.
Okay, do
I
you have
had
the
that.
painting that you did it?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. The same texture you was having on that,
Yes, ma'am.
that is a canvas sheet, canvas pad or a canvas roll you get from the market. That is another thing. The canvas sheet is type of chart, and you will get it at the 50, maximum 50 rupee. Okay. And the second thing is you will get it a yellowish color, because on the oil sheet they have applied oil there. They have applied oil. Why oil? Because they have given a protected layer. In the course that I have explained all the things that oil painting course, and I have explained each and everything, why we are doing canvas paper, why we are using canvas sheet, why we are not using normal paper for the oil painting. Those
Okay,
have.
ma'am, but I have a question. मैम जो बैच आप लोगे, जो हम बिगिनर्स के लिए बैच है, वो आप ऑनलाइन लोगे लाइव?
No. That is not a live. Like, for example, I have done that thing just because of those students, those are not able to attend live classes, right?
Oh,
Due to some
okay.
reasons, due to their classes, some other classes, due to their work. I have done that because of that. Means for the students, those are not able to attend live classes, and you will get the recorded videos.
ओके मामा, मैम उसमें आपने कौन सी शीट यूज की? अगर मैं ऑयल पेंटिंग वाली करूंगी इसमें कोई डिफरेंस तो नहीं होगा उसके टेक्सचर का?
No. I have used oil sheet for in that.
ओके मामा, ठीक है.
You will get proper guidance there. If you feel difficulty, you can message me anytime, because right now you can see, whenever you feel mistake or guidance you need, whenever you need guidance, Hasrat, you can message me anytime, right? You have called me so many times for any doubts and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that I am available. And once a week, like on Sunday, or we will decide a week or one day where I will be live, and only for those students, those have joined that course, only for those students to clear their doubts.
ओके मैम, ठीक है.
Yeah, I will be.
मैम कब होगे, कोई पता है आपको?
क्या?
कि कब हो गया आप लाइव उन बच्चों के? क्योंकि मैम 23rd को तो मेरे स्कूल ही खुल जाएंगे, अब छुट्टियां चल रही हैं, उससे पहले पहले कर लेना.
हाँ, मतलब जैसे for example, the student those are doing, those have joined, I will have their class on Saturday or Sunday.
अच्छा, ठीक है मैम.
You will learn 7 paintings in that.
ओके मैम. उसपे आप पूरा करके आओगे फिर से?
Yes, I have done.
ठीक है मैम. ओके.
I will show you everything here. Each and everything.
हेलो
Yes.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम आप ऑनलाइन क्लास लेते कि ऑफलाइन? ऑनलाइन लीजिएगा तो हम तो कर सकते हैं, ऑफलाइन तो हो ही नहीं सकता पॉसिबल।
Yes, I used to take only online. Offline नहीं मैं लेती.
क्या मैम?
I take only online classes, not offline classes.
ओके ओके, टाइमिंग?
What you want to learn exactly?
ओके मैम, क्या उसमें पैसे वैसे भी लगते हैं क्या, पेमेंट?
Yes. Depend on painting. कि आप क्या कौन सी पेंटिंग सीखना चाहते हो उसके ऊपर आप
ना हाउ मैनी?
हाँ here I am taking these shades, these 3 to 4 shades and
Okay.
making sorry, I didn't get
पेंटिंग
you.
का
मैम शी इज सेइंग कि हर पेंटिंग आप डिटेल भेज सकते हो कि ऑयल पेंटिंग का इतना है, एक्रेलिक पेंटिंग का इतना, ऑल द पेंटिंग्स यू टीच इन डिटेल।
Fee
यस
structure.
मैम।
यस मैम,
मैम पेंटिंग में जैसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पेंटिंग होता है ना, ऑयल पेंटिंग, पेस्टल पेंटिंग।
No. Okay, मैं बताती हूँ. I teach only oil painting, acrylic painting, and watercolor painting, and murals also.
यस मैम। ओके
और-
मैम, पर उसका डिटेल एक बार भेज देते ना तो फिर पता चल जाए कितना कितना प्राइस है।
हाँ जैसे if you want to do oil painting course, that is I am having for 699 only for lifetime. You will get to learn 6 to 7 paintings from that with full
मैम
detail.
किसके लिए
हाँ
किसके लिए, कौन सी पेंटिंग के लिए?
ऑयल पेंटिंग कोर्स में आप 7 to 6 पेंटिंग लर्न करोगे.
अच्छा, और मैम आपने कौन सी पेंटिंग बोली थी लास्ट में? एक तो एक्रेलिक पेंटिंग, एक वाटर कलर, एक ऑयल, और कौन सी?
Murals.
पेस्टल पेंटिंग?
No, I don't teach pastels. I don't teach pastel. I don't teach calligraphy. I don't teach any handwriting type of work. I don't teach
ओके ओके
sketching.
ओके
Only
Okay, okay.
acrylic, oil, watercolor, and
Okay.
murals.
ओके।
मैम
हाँ
पेंटिंग में क्या होता है?
किसमें?
न्यूरल्स पेंटिंग में?
Murals means you can say 3D.
अच्छा 3D। मैम जो आपने वो डॉल बनाई थी वो कौन सी थी? द डॉल यू मेड, द डांसिंग डॉल आपने बनाई थी ना?
Dancing doll. Which one?
मैम यू मेड अ डॉल।
Hmm.
मैम आपको भी
Which doll?
आई गेस वो आपने ही बनाई हो।
Hmm?
मैम मुझे लगता है वो आपने ही बनाई थी, मैं देख के आपको बताती हूँ।
Everyone, here I forget to tell you, we had some other discussion. What I am doing, I am taking dark tones on the sides, middle tone like a lemon yellow in the middle, and white color in the center to give a dark to light shadow. Okay, dark to light. So same as it is, you have to do. Who is doing with me? Can I know?
Yeah, I am doing.
Rohini ma'am.
Yeah, I am also doing.
Renu ma'am. All these are my batch students. Reema ma'am, Rohini ma'am, Ria. All they have done paintings with me. And some are right now doing in the live classes.
मैम मैम मैंने फोटो ढूंढ ली है जिसपे जो आपने बनाई थी अब्स्ट्रैक्ट डांसर पेंटिंग।
अच्छा वो टाइप वाली।
कौन सी मैम?
मैम वो कौन सी थी?
मुझे सेंड करियो फोटो व्हाट्सएप में।
फोटो सेंड करना चाहिए।
हाँ फोटो सेंड करो। लेट मी चेक
अच्छा
विच
फिर किस
अब्स्ट्रैक्ट।
पे?
रेनू मैम आपको शायद पता लग गया है कौन सी है।
मैम ये वाली
वो टाइप वाली।
मैम जिसमें वो डॉट डॉट थे, आप देखो मैंने आपको भेजी।
Oh,
डिलीवर हो गई
that is not abstract painting. That is acrylic normal painting. Yeah, I saw. I find. Got it. I'm having with me that
मैम
was
वो भी आप अभी टीच कर सकते हो हमें।
video मिल जाएगी रिया हसरत. You will get the video in 99 only. That was a 99 class. You will get any painting that was in 99. You will get that video.
Okay.
Because right now I am not taking 99
अच्छा मैम
classes.
कितनी है? उसकी पेमेंट कितनी होगी इस पेंटिंग की रिकॉर्डिंग की फीस?
99 only.
99 रुपीज?
हाँ
मैम ठीक है मैम, मैं आपको कल कर दूंगी पेमेंट। आपका नंबर भी है ना, वही है ना?
या
ठीक है मैम।
that was a 99 painting classes na. There are so many paintings
Ma'am,
in
all
99. हाँ
99 पेंटिंग ऑल ओवर जितनी पेंटिंग आपने बताया उतनी का 99 प्राइस है।
हाँ पर पेंटिंग का 99. आप 99 में एक पेंटिंग सीख सकते हो बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पेंटिंग दैट आई हैव मतलब
यस मैम।
मैम तो जो
मैम पर
ये वाली है डांसिंग डॉल एक्रिलिक पेंटिंग, ये 99 रुपीज की है।
1 minute I will show you. Let me share the screen where it is my box. 1 minute. I will show you.
अब तो
हाँ
ऑलमोस्ट फ्लावर हमारा ऑलमोस्ट बन गया आपका।
yeah. See, this is a 99 that Hasrat saying.
ओके
Yeah. This painting you can learn in 99.
मैम ये मैं हमेशा देखते थे, मुझे इतनी बढ़िया लगती है। इससे मुझे आपको पता लगा था।
The murals are different, like a Jaroka. If I show you, and you have to come on the same link again after a few minutes.
ठीक है मैम। मैम वो कितना टाइम लगेगा इसमें?
अभी टाइम लगेगा
कितना?
थोड़ा सा और. I will try to complete now, but maybe you have to come on the same link again. Okay, let's do fast. So
हम
here,
9:30 तक हो जाएगा ना पूरा?
yeah,
10:30 तक।
yes. Now here I'm
आज रात हो जाए।
हाँ जी
आज रात हो जाएगा।
yes हो जाएगा. Now here I'm applying burnt sienna here. हाँ जी
सनफ्लावर सुबह खिल जाना, सुबह किसका काम है ना इसके साथ।
Here I'm applying burnt sienna as a depth, okay? Because we are having dark portion here, so I'm applying burnt sienna here. We have to give more very much detailing because right now we are doing some base part. We have to give more detailing on the petals also. We have to give some burnt sienna on the petals also. So let's do that. Here I have I'm having very less color on my brush. Okay. What I will do, I will just give this color here as a dark tone.
Ma'am, you are mixing water.
No, ma'am, it's a oil painting.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Acha, you are doing oil. I am doing acrylic.
You know, and in acrylic also you don't need to mix water, ma'am. This is a difference between oil and
Okay.
acrylic. When we have to do acrylic painting, we have to mix all these things with proper. No, we can't give and like this, because oil can be get mixed with other color. We can mix after that, after doing color. But in acrylic, we have to do side by side everything. We can't use even a small dot of water, a single drop of water in oil colors, because it's oil.
Because this is not vegetable. In vegetable, we put oil and water.
Renu ma'am.
मैम मुझे आपका जोक समझ आ गया है, लेकिन मैं एक्रेलिक में कर रही थी तो मैं भूल गई।
एक्रेलिक में भी वाटर तो हम लोग बहुत कम यूज करते हैं ना सर।
हाँ जी, रोहिणी मैम, she is my first student, online student for acrylic painting batch. Meet her. And she is मैम आपकी just आप अपनी एज बताना रेनू मैम।
नहीं, अरे क्या कह रहे हो?
मैम की एक बेटी की शादी हो चुकी है, दूसरी की हो जाएगी, बेटा भी शादी लायक हो चुका है। इतने बड़े हैं मैम।
वाह वाह। मैम जो पेंटिंग्स मैंने नहीं अटेंड किए वो सारी आपने डाली है, जो भी आपने पेंटिंग कोर्सेज अभी तक लिए हैं बैचेस?
क्या बोला, दोबारा बोलना।
मैम जो भी आपने बैचेस अभी तक लिए हैं वो सारे आपने अपने ऐप पे डाले हैं?
नहीं।
अच्छा, पर मैम आप ऐसे करो ना, एप्पल स्टोर पे भी अपने ऐप ना अपलोड कर दो।
क्या? एक सेकंड,
एप्पल पे भी अपने ऐप अपलोड कर दो ना, मुझे फिर मम्मा को फोन लेना पड़ता है।
अच्छा, आपके पास एप्पल का फोन है?
हाँ जी।
मैं बताती हूँ फिर आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए। मैं आपको ना, those are having their Apple phone, you have to log in from another thing. Just message me, I will provide you the link on the WhatsApp. You have to log in and I will send you a code and then you can log in from that. Okay?
ठीक है मैम, उससे लॉग इन कर लीजिए।
Very soon I will have my own website also.
वो तो एप्पल पे होगी ना मैम?
हाँ वो तो होगी बट उसमें ऐसा नहीं होगा ना, अलग होगा सब कुछ। ओके, नाउ हियर आई एम टेकिंग burnt chrome yellow and mixing this, doing proper blending. You should have control on your hand. Clean your brush. You have to come on the same link. Come.